Hi, it's Rob from RequestaQuest.com, where we walk you through World of Warcraft quests easily. I have a quest here for the Balance of Nature. Guess it's like a part 2. I need to kill some Night Saber and some Thistleboar. So these are a bit bigger level than the noob ones. So if you just head around this way, there's another batch of dudes. Bigger monsters. So, these guys are like level 2. These things we're coming up to are possibly level 3, level 4. And while we're heading over this way, let's pick up a quest. If you want to turn off name badges, you can just press V. V is in Victor.
How may I help?
Everything here is yellow, so nothing really to worry about. So, just over yonder, in this section, are some more things. If I see any bunnies, they must die. Oh, and if there's 2 of them here, I'll do 2 at once. Oh, there's 3 or 4, maybe I'll do 3 or 4. Ta-da! Okay, I need 4 more. Let's see if I can do it. Not too shabby. Could have done more than this. Oh, I missed. Fail. Damn. So that's the name of the game. We just gotta kill these things, loot them, and we're all done. So these are the mangy Night
I need to
Sabers.
get closer.
Really? Come on. And then the Thistleboars are just they're all surrounding me too. Lots of mangy Night Sabers. Wow. A lot of them. There are some boars. So just further through are some more Thistleboars. So there you have it. Just loot everything you got. Oh dear, you must die. That's about it. Turn in your quest and have a good time. Thanks a lot. I'm Rob from RequestaQuest.com.